हाय फ्रेंड्स, अपने नए YouTube चैनल हैशटैग नॉलेज में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम बात करेंगे एक्सेल के ऐसे फॉर्मूलाज पे जिससे आपका काम आसान होगा एंड टाइम भी बचेगा। अगर आपने अभी तक अपना चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर ले एंड अपने नॉलेज को अपग्रेड करने के लिए रेडी हो जाए। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो ऊपर आई बटन में लिंक प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ जिसमें हमने कवर किया है सम, एवरेज, मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम फॉर्मूलाज। फ्रॉम दिस टेबल हमें फाइंड आउट करना है द फर्स्ट नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, सो विल यूज द फॉर्मूला लेफ्ट। सो द फॉर्मूला विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इक्वल टू, विल पुट LEFT, will open the bracket and you will come to know now we have to select the text. So I have selected this text, then comma. So first name select करने के लिए मुझे number of characters कितने होने चाहिए that I have to identify. Here I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 characters I have to take from the left. I will close the bracket and press enter. So the name Satish has come up. Whereas ये फॉर्मूला अगर मैं क्लिक करता हूँ there may not be the right name of first name. So for this we'll add another formula which is search. Here we'll write equal to search, open bracket, close bracket. We'll apply the formula equal to search, find the text which is space, double inverted comma, space, comma, within this text, and we'll start from number 1. We'll close the bracket and we'll come to know on the 7th character space is there. So we have already identified from here up to 6 the name is there and 7 is the space. So now we'll change the formula accordingly. Instead of this 6, I will use again a bracket. Then I will select this 7 minus 1 and will close the bracket. हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे? ये space identify किया, that is on the 7th number, and हमने left formula में वो space minus 1 formula apply किया. Accordingly, मेरा left name automatically appear होगा. So now first I will click on this part, so you will come to know there is a multiple space. So accordingly the number is getting applicable. So here we'll just counter check. Shushma, SUSHAMA, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 is a space and it is getting reflected as per the search formula. अब मैं सतीश पे डबल क्लिक कर रहा हूँ. Accordingly entire name, first name will get applicable over here. For the middle name, the same formula हम लोग middle name के लिए यूज करेंगे and for the right name. For that हमें और एक space identify करना होगा. तो I am just adding one column over here. Insert and will write the same formula for the another space. अब यहाँ पे equal to search from text, find the text is again space. So double inverted comma में हमने space select किया. Then within the text, this is the text, and in the first formula we have started from number 1, but we have already identified the first space at the number of 7. So we have plotted formula. So हमने formula ऐसे run किया, equal to search in bracket. मुझे find out करना है space. कौन से सेल में से फाइंड करना है, दैट इज नेम, एंड मैंने ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट स्पेस आइडेंटिफाई किया था. इसके लिए मैंने फॉर्मूला में ऐसा चेंज किया कि फर्स्ट स्पेस प्लस 1. सो जो भी मेरा सेकंड स्पेस रहेगा वो आफ्टर 8 कैरेक्टर रहेगा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली दिस फॉर्मूला विल अप्लाई एंड द सेकंड स्पेस इज एट 14. Now again I will click on this part, so you will come to know there are multiple spaces. अब हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं मिडल नेम. So for middle name we have to work equal to mid in bracket. First I have to select the text, so मैंने name select किया, comma इसमें हमें start number mention करना. So ideally अगर मैंने first number mention किया तो it will again start from the Satish, but I wanted to take the middle name, so my final answer will be Suresh. For that, I will put a start number as in bracket 7, like the first space plus 1. I will close the bracket, so this entire formula will be as a start number. So here my start number will be 7 plus 1, that is 8. We'll again verify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is up to Satish, space is 7, and Suresh will start. The S will start from character 8. So this formula will view as middle in bracket text, which is the name. Then number of characteristics start from 8 and comma. It will be up to second space. Comma in bracket. Second space will be in the column O minus first space minus 1, because the name is of 6 character, whereas the difference is of 7 characters. In this formula, in the number of characters, we have apply minus 1. Now I will click on this plus arrow. You will get the entire middle name from this entire full name. अब जाते हैं surname की तरफ. Now surname is a very easy task because this formula will run from the right to left. The left formula will start from left to right, and the right formula will start from right to left. We'll use the formula equal to right in bracket. This text will be this, and now we have to find out the number of characters from the right to left. So ideally this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also the 6 characters. If I will apply 6, it will give me the result as Rathod. But when I will double click on this plus arrow, the name may not be the right, because in Wadia there are only 5 characters, whereas as per the formula it took 6. So for that we'll go here and we'll understand the length of the word. इस particular cell में total कितने characteristics है, ये हमें len formula से पता पड़ते हैं. Len is the length of the word. We'll start again from the equal to. We'll write the formula which is reflected in row 2, that is len, and we'll put a open bracket. Now in this formula we have to just select as a text. So I will select the name of the person and I will close the bracket. We'll come to know total 20 characteristics are there in this particular name. So we'll again count. Satish is 6, space is 7, Suresh is 6, total 13, plus 1 14, that is a space, and Rathod is 6. So total 20 characteristics are there, and by using len formula हमें 20 characteristics यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं. Now we'll click on the plus sign, so it will get reflected for the each and every area. Now using this formula we'll get the surname of the person. So again I am coming on the left side. अगर ये वीडियो थोड़ा फास्ट हो रहा है, you can pause the video and apply the formula. Now we are at a surname. We'll double click on this formula. अब formula right में हमने first select किया text, and then हमें surname, like what are the characteristics which are on right, we have to select that particular number. Instead of using 6, the another formula is that I will open the bracket. I will check entire length of this word, and then I will minus this from the second space. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे देखा, हम पहले select करते हैं length of the word minus second space, that is 14, and then we'll close this bracket. Now when I will click on this plus sign, I will get all the surname as it is. Now you can see this is Satish Suresh Rathod, and applying this formula, Satish is the first name, Suresh is the middle name, Rathod is the surname. We'll again go on the Faisal Umar Sheikh. Faisal is a first name, Umar is a second name and Sheikh is a surname. I think ये formulas आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। आप नीचे कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा।